Okay, we know how to set up a goal. We know how to have faculty align their assignments to the goal for assessment purposes. Now, what we want to do is have collect the assignments that are aligned to the goal and then assign them to people using the rubric. Now, unfortunately, it would be a big undertaking for me to demo all of this from scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to admin. I'm going to go to goals and assessments, and I'm going to click. All right. Now, what I can do at this point is go collect evidence, and then I'm going to select a goal to collect the evidence from. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to look for the goal that we set up, the demo goal, and you'll see it here. Demo goal, submit. Okay, now I can do it for specific terms. Okay, so let's say I wanted to see, let's say fall 2023, submit, and then give it a project name. I'm going to call it demo project. And then submit. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to see that demo project is here. It's aligned to goal 1, and it is collecting right as we speak. Now, the issue here is because we have, actually we do have an assignment tied to goal 1, but I don't know if there's completed assignments. So it's going to take a while for this demo project to collect, okay? However, once they're collected, let me show you a goal we've already done this with. Let's look at goal 5. No, we're not going to do a goal that we've done it with. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do the demo project. So I'm going to pause now until we have some information there. All right, I realize that it takes a while to collect these assignments. It's going to be at least a half an hour, and this would be a small data set too. So what I'm going to do is find something I've already been working on just as a demo. It says video, and this is aligned to GE4, Cultural and Civic Awareness. So I'm going to click that, and you'll see that it's collected one assignment with 8 artifacts because I was just messing around here. A lot of times you'll have multiple assignments with multiple artifacts. Now, usually I want to sample those artifacts. Let's say I have 10 people grading and I want to give them 10 artifacts apiece. I'll cap it at 100. So I hit sample. I can include all artifacts, or I can randomly select artifacts. And let's see. I will say that I need 4, and the minimum number of artifacts needed from each assignment is 2. And I can do this, and having the minimum number of artifacts means you're getting it across the board. So that'll help sometimes as well. So I'll submit here, and now I have 4 random artifacts. And then what I want to do is click Analyze Results. Okay, and actually I don't want to click Analyze Results here yet. What I want to do is create evaluation session. Okay, and so I have to create evaluators, and just for the heck of it, I'm going to assign one to myself. And I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to go to Joanne Jones because she won't mind me doing this to her. For her, I should say. Oops, let's do that again. It's going to be last name, Jones. Go. Where's Joanne? There's a lot of Joneses. Oh, there she is. I'll hit submit. And notice that we have 2 people who are evaluating. How many evaluators need to evaluate each item? Sometimes for an assessment, you want to have more than one evaluator and norm the scores. Okay, but I'm just going to say one. And I'm going to browse to find the rubric. And we know the rubric contains demo because I have been okay, so demo rubric. And what I'm doing now is I'm assigning the rubric to the goal. Okay, now the evaluator has a rubric assigned to the goal. I'm going to assign a due date to this. Let's see, 3/15/24. Keep student information private so I don't favor students I know or am biased in any way. And then I'll hit start session. Boom. Now, two things are going to happen. I'm going to get an email, and Joanne Jones is also going to get an email, and she's going to ask me, why did I get this email? But now we are done with this process. The papers, the artifacts have been sent out to the evaluators to grade. So we're going to pause here, and then I'm going to check my email. All right, you're going to see two emails in my box. As the person who is evaluating, I got this following email saying that I just started an evaluation session and chose myself as an evaluator, and I can click here to evaluate. Up top, you, as the person who set up the session, says here is a confirmation that you created the session, and here are the people. All right, so that'll help you determine that you've actually created a session. Now, here comes the fun. I, as the evaluator, click here to view my link, and I will get into Blackboard, and you'll see that I've got my items, and then I'm going to click one. And here it is. Oh, and I'm going to hit evaluate. And you'll see here's the rubric. I click that, and I go boom. I can show the descriptions for each one of them. I go boom, boom. Hopefully I'm actually reading the assignment using the rubric. And then I hit save rubric, and there's one. Okay, then I do the next one, return to listing, and you'll see that it has disappeared because it's only showing the ones that have to be evaluated. All right, so you can also track how many things people evaluate. All right, now once we've done that, and I'm just going to go into mine again. Let's just finish this. Oops, not found. Evaluate, demo rubric, evaluate, here we go, boom, 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 boom. You don't have to say boom when you do it, but it helps. Okay, save rubric, and done. You can also add comments, like if there's something about the rubric that's different or something you want the assessor to know, it's there.